In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a reminder on Google Keep Notes. This process is straightforward and will only take a few minutes of your time, ensuring you stay organized and on schedule. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's open up your Google Apps. Go to your preferred browser and look for the Google Apps button, typically found in the top right corner of your screen. Click on it and a menu will appear displaying various Google services available for use. Now within that list, let's locate Google Keep. Keep is Google's versatile note-taking app that helps you jot down ideas, make checklists, and set reminders. Once you've identified Google Keep in the list, click on it to open the app. You'll be greeted by the homepage where all your existing notes are displayed. These notes may include tasks, reminders, or even a simple list of ideas you want to keep track of. Now choose the note you would like to set a reminder for. It could be a shopping list, a meeting agenda, or any task you need a nudge for in the future. Once you find the note you wish to work with, click on it to view more options within the note itself. Within this note, you'll notice a bell icon usually located toward the top. Clicking this bell icon allows you to set a reminder. This feature is handy to ensure you don't miss an important task or event. You can now proceed to set the reminder according to your needs. A small window will appear, giving you several options to choose from. Here, you have the flexibility of changing the date. If the default date doesn't meet your needs, simply select a different one that suits your schedule better. Once that's set, you can also adjust the time for your reminder. Click on the time field and choose the hour and minute you wish to be reminded. Next, you've got to decide when exactly you want this reminder to go off. There are preset options like tomorrow morning or next week, but you can always set a custom date and time if those don't fit your plan. Finally, once you have everything set to your liking, click on the Save button. This ensures that all your choices are locked in and the reminder is correctly set. Your task is now scheduled and you can rely on Google Keep to nudge you when it's time to take action. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully set a reminder on Google Keep Notes. This powerful tool can help keep you on track